Hiya my lovelies, welcome again to my channel. I hope you guys are well. I'm actually recording at night because I'm going to be showing you my underarm nighttime routine. Yes, there is such a thing. They used to be darker than this, okay? That one is actually darker than this one, and I tell you why. So I shave with a razor in the shower, but I am not great at it and I'm always in a hurry, so I will shave so badly that I get bumps. So I've got a couple of bumps here and they are already forming hyperpigmentation, and here is a lot better. Sometimes I will use hair removal cream, but because I have to wait for 5 minutes, I don't have 5 minutes when I'm in a hurry, okay? So yeah, when I go to the gym and try to lift, when I used to go to the gym, I've not exercised in ages, so I used to get really embarrassed about how dark my underarms were. I'm sure no one cared, but I did, so I started to do something about it. So I'm going to show you guys how I've managed to lighten my underarm. I wish I had a before picture, but I did not even know I was going to be doing this video. It was when I saw some result and I thought, oh, I better share this. Okay, so I'm going to show you the products first, and I'm also going to demonstrate how I do it. Okay, before we go into the video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Let's do this. The first product I'm going to show you is the Makari 24K Rose Gold Moisturizing Soap. This soap is already running out because I use it every single day. I like it. It's good on my skin, and I don't only just use it on my face, I use it on my entire body. I love it. It's so moisturizing. So I started using this soap under my arms, and I like it because it doesn't dry out my underarm and it's really moisturizing. And I'm going to use this particular one to demonstrate to you guys. This was the soap that I used to use before I found this one. This is a Keratonic soap. It's one of my favorite one. I just actually bought this one. I've not really used it. I really like this soap. These are actually lightening products, so I want to lighten my underarm to get an even skin tone. That is the aim, and this is why I use one of these to wash. I particularly like this one because it's very moisturizing, especially now that the weather is cold and skin tends to dry out. So if you don't have the 24K at home, you can use your Keratonic, you can use your treatment soap such as the Exclusive and the Extreme. I'm going to go ahead and show you the next product. The next step is to tone my underarm, and I'm going to show you guys, so don't worry, I'm just showing you the products. Is the glycolic acid toner. Is a 5% glycolic acid by Lacura. You guys know that I'm a bit wary about glycolic acid, but this product is actually really safe for my underarm. I've been using it for a very long time. Okay, so I use this every night. However, when I feel some sting, I stop using it, and then I use the rose water and glycerin toner instead. But I like to tone my underarm. The reason why I like this, and it's quite effective for what I'm trying to achieve, is because of the glycolic acid, which is an exfoliant, and it would also help me to achieve a lighter skin tone under my arms. Okay, so yeah, that's my toner. That's the second step. We're gonna go straight to the next product. So I've got 3 different products to show you, and they're all Makari products. And the reason why I wanted to show you all these products is because if you have any of them at home, you can use it. You don't have to go out and buy a particular one. So the first one I'm going to show you is this one. Is nearly finishing, and it's probably the one I'm going to use to demonstrate to you guys. So this is the Repairing and Clarifying Serum. I really like this serum because I use it on my chest and I use it on my face as well as my underarm. Okay, so the Repairing and Clarifying Serum, it contains glycolic acid and it's got ascorbic acid. This is also a lightening product and it's really good. I recommend it. However, if you have a sensitive skin on your face, don't use this. The next product I'm going to show you that you can use, and if you have a sensitive skin, it's safe for you to use. So this one is my Keratonic serum. You guys know how much I love Keratonic range. It was the first range of Makari I ever used, and it is in the natural group, which makes it really safe for you to use day and night if you wanted to. So if I don't have this to use, I would actually use this. I don't really use this on my face anymore. I use it on my neck, my chest, and of course my underarm when I need to. And it's simply because I found other serum that works better on my face than this particular one. But this is a really good product. Okay, so the final product I'm going to show you is the Makari toning gel. This one is the exclusive one, but you can also use the extreme one. Now, bear in mind, I am not using all three at once. I'm showing you the three products that I have that I could use under my arms to lighten them. That's the soap, and I have my scrubber because exfoliation is really, really good. But please gently exfoliate. So here we go. It's already wet, okay, and I like to bring it up here so that, you know, like when you go like that, you don't want hair to be dark as well, so you need to make sure that you're treating that area, because I see some ladies when they go like that, you see here it's really, really dark. Okay, so if you don't like that, just extend it like so, and wash and wash and wash ever so gently. Please do not be rough on your skin. So that's it, all washed done, and I'm using this soap, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off and move on to the next step. Just to mention that this only happens at night time, and some nights I forget to do my underarms, and it's not the end of the world. I will then do it the next night when I remember. Okay, so I'm going to use my glycolic acid. Again, I try to be really careful with glycolic acid. I would also use rose water and glycerin toner. I love to tone my underarm. I basically treat it like my face. So here we go. Again, no scrubbing. If you scrub, your skin will irritate, and then you will make more hyperpigmentation. So just be really, really gentle. Okay, so that's it. And I would let it kind of like sit for 30 seconds before I start applying my serum. So I'm gonna use this product because it's nearly finishing. As my serum, it's beautiful golden drop. Okay, and I'm now gonna go ahead and apply with this one. Again, I won't use this particular one every night because of the glycolic acid. Okay, and I'll put the leftover here because my underarms are clean anyway. Okay, whatever that is left, I tap into my chest area because, you know, like I break out hair and I make hyperpigmentation here as well. It's not looking too bad because I've been treating it. So that's it. Bring it all the way up here as well, because you want to do like that and it looks good as well. So you want to make sure that that area is not forgotten. So that is all I do to care for my underarm, and again, I only do this at night time. Do not put pressure on yourself to look perfect, but whatever that you can do to help your skin or to feel more confident and more comfortable, do it. Okay, I won't oppose to that. At least when I go to the gym, I would confidently go like that without wondering if they are staring into my armpit and wondering whether I've shaved or not, because it looks so dark. So it looks like hair, but it's not. It's just that it's just really dark area of, not dark as evil, but you know what I mean. But yeah, that's how I look after my underarm. Okay, it's really embarrassing showing you my armpit. I'm so sorry, and I'm not wearing any makeup, so I look at a whole mess. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. If you want to talk to me about this or any other skin issue that you may have, come to me, come and find me on Instagram. Obviously, I'm not a skincare expert, but I used to have a really, really bad skin, and I looked after my face to get to this point, and I feel like I'm in a position to share what I've done with other people. So come and find me and let's talk. Okay, if you want to buy any of these Makari products, remember to use my code Jane15. Buy from the website as well to be sure that you're buying the authentic product. Okay, all right then, take care. Love you lots. Mwah, mwah. Bye.